guys, it's Jen from Lux Tech Travel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Geekria headphones case for none other than the AirPods Max, because who doesn't want a case for the case? Stay tuned to see the unboxing and see what my first impressions are and whether this is something that you should check out for your headphones. So the AirPods Max with their beloved case. This was one of the things that definitely made me second guess whether I actually wanted these, because you've seen 100 videos by now, I'm sure, with the complaints of the case. It doesn't bother me as much because I don't care if it looks feminine. I don't care if it looks like a purse because I'm carrying purses most of the time anyways. However, I loved the silver and white color, but I know myself well enough that if I'm traveling, lugging this around, tossing it around with my suitcase, it's not going to stay as pristine and white. And it's a very soft material that does pick up dirt quickly. With all that being said, what was the solution? Amazon. And sure enough, there wasn't many options, but we did have one from Geekria. Did come out with a case for your case. So let's check out what's the caseception situation here. Very simple packaging. I will say I did have to wait basically a month. I ordered these right after Christmas and they arrived today, and it's January 21st when we're filming this. So it is like a canvas material on the outside. It is a hard case, which is for a little extra protection in case you accidentally sit on them, squish. Seems okay. I like the light pink color. It's my style. It's got some rubber enclosures around the zippers, which is nice. Let's check for zipper smoothness. Seems okay. And inside we've got some accessories. A warranty. They will expedite, refund, or replace if you have issues. But before you return, scan the QR code and find out what it is they want. And you've got a Velcro strap here, which is what will secure your case within this case. This is a buckle if you wanted to wear your case like a crossbody. So like a purse. We're still carrying on with the purse theme. Seems nice. It's got little swivels so you could adjust it. Little pouch here. Nothing in it, but I'm assuming this would be for like your cord or accessories. What really sold me was this lining on the inside. It is very soft, which is good because, like I said, this material is very sensitive. Like, I'm very afraid that this is gonna get scratched up, which is why I bought this case for my case. Let's check out this side. We have, again, that same material on the top. Very soft. It's almost like a velvet or like a fuzzy throw. We've got two layers of mesh pockets. We've got one here that's large enough for the entire width of this case, and then you've got a second outer layer that's separated. So you've got one section right here and a smaller section right here, in case you're feeling nostalgic and want to keep your previous AirPods here. You could snip them right there. Oh my goodness, I just want to keep carrying on with the theme of AirPodception, caseception. All right, now let's see if everything fits. I'm gonna put my AirPods back in their case. And then I'm going to put my headpiece pushed down to make sure that everything definitely fits. And if I'm looking at this, I believe it should go this way because it looks a little bit slimmer on the bottom. I'm going to buckle them up so they are secure. Shut it. My zipper. we're good to go. I could give them a good smashing around. Supposedly it's splash resistant. Don't dunk them in water, obviously, but I feel a lot more secure with my AirPods Max inside this case than in the original case. Just keeping it real. Let's check out the little crossbody situation. This is good because when you're traveling or when you're about to board a plane and you want to have your headphones with you, you don't want to worry about digging through them and blocking the aisle of the plane, you could just keep this on your side and it's out of the way, it's close by. And to be honest, this case is large enough that you could fit your phone, you could fit your charger, you could fit your passport. Look at that. The possibilities are endless. Well, you heard it here first. Luxtech Travel approves the Geekria headphones case for your AirPods Max. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see what we've got planned for 2021. Happy New Year, and thanks for tuning in.